You remember that in the last video we speak about how to apply and how to manage your applications and so on and keep it clean and organized. And I also mentioned that I was using Notion. Well, today's your lucky day. I'm gonna be giving you away the template that I use for applying to jobs. Plus, I'm gonna show you how to make your own in case that you just feel like doing it by yourself. No problems. Let's go and see how I do it. So here we are in Notion. Let's go here down on the templates. This is the desktop version. So you can use desktop or mobile. I think desktop, in my own opinion, it's more powerful. And let's look here for the template job application. Pretty easy, straightforward. And what is cool about it is that on top you are going to be having your quick links to your cover letter, your CV, your portfolio. I just customized this a little bit further so I can have my quick copy links and everything that I just need in hand when I'm writing an email or I'm just sending a message to the recruiter. So I just have everything in one place. Down here where we have the applications, it's so convenient because you can filter by stage or even when it's going to be due on date. And remember that here, what we are looking mainly on the stages is to see if we just follow up, we just apply something because some of these websites, like I mentioned before, they're not going to be telling you, okay, we are moving, we're not moving, we have a lot of emails, so if we don't reply back, think gently like thank you, not thank you, but next. But then what is super cool about Notion is that if there is not such field that you're willing to add on the input, then you can just simply type it and you can make your own. For example, on presentation, I'm going to be just typing something so you know that you can also customize it. But for customizing it, it's also so comfortable and so simple to use Notion. Okay, so now that I just made the first row, let's make an example row. Let's start by using picture as our example input, and it's just going to be applied. So we already applied for the job position, and it's going to be a 3D artist position. We send our cover letter if it was required on the website, and then we can just add a copy fast link here because also one important thing is that you must tailor the cover letter. You can have a generic one, but it's really good to address the cover letter to the proper uh, job that you're applying or the proper company. Here in the URL, I'll say that the most common thing to do is once that you apply, just paste here the URL of a website, web page, or the company so you can go back and if you move further on the call, then you can scale or make your own research on the company so you don't look any dumb on the interview. And I'm just going to be adding here an extra row that is going to be called place. And in place, I would like to just see from where I'm gathering this information. Perhaps it's LinkedIn, perhaps the application was on a website, on Twitter, whatever. So just for you to know that these things can come from anywhere. In this case, I'm just going to be using the website Domestika as the source of where I found this cool job offer. And lastly, I'm going to be adding all of these other websites that I just gathered myself. So you can also go ahead and start using this cool template so you don't have to put all of this by your own. Once we have everything set up, then you're going to be ready to be applying to any job or any place that you want and have track on it like a real boss thing. And here we have the final result. I'm also including an example on drafts that you're going to be maybe working on it, a cover letter or a CV or something that is super broad for you so you can customize it further on the road. But yes, if you like this type of content, you can always subscribe for more, which I highly recommend you because we have this goal at 100 subscribers. Then I'm gonna be publishing a free tutorial on how to make a cool asset. But without further more ado, enjoy it and see you on the next one. Before I leave, I'm just gonna be leaving these 2 extra minutes so I can get this extra 2 minutes of your time. But you can watch also how I customize these so you can have an idea on how to do it on your end. Okay, see you and please subscribe.